guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I've got my Walmart haul for the week. I actually have to go to BJ's this week and pick up a few things, but it's just a handful of items. So I thought I would just share my Walmart haul. I'm going to start this on this side and work my way over. This haul was $125. So I got some of the Great Value brand cheddar and sour cream potato chips. We've tried a lot of the Great Value like pretzel, cheese puffs, and tortilla chips and stuff items. I haven't tried any of the potato chips yet except the kettle chips, which are good. So I grabbed these. They were 78 cents. I got some of these King's Hawaiian mini sub rolls. I've had these before and love pretty much anything by this brand. Sometimes I'll even just eat like a little roll as a snack because the bread is that good. I got some romaine mixed salad for quick lunches for myself or to pack for Matt. Some celery, some grape tomatoes. I get these every week unless it's summer when I have garden tomatoes for my parents, but I like these because they're $1. I discovered this semi-recently. It's the Carolina brand yellow rice mix. It's 70 cents, and these little packages are perfect for like 2 people, maybe 3, and they're really good. So I grabbed 2 more of those for a quick side. I grabbed a High Pro Packs coconut oil and African shea butter hair mask to bring on vacation. I can probably get 2 uses out of this, which is perfect because the way I time it, it'll be about 2 showers while I'm there for 4 days. So I grabbed this to bring on vacation since the trip's coming up in a few weeks. I got a red pepper, an avocado for salads. I got some kiwis. They were on sale for $2 for this pack. I grabbed some strawberries and some raspberries as well. I think these are different brands. This is the Gem Pack brand, and this is the Fresh Campo brand. This I got from the deli. They were actually cutting up leftover rotisserie chickens and then portioning them out. So I grabbed 2 that were on clearance. These were $1.60 each, and they are white meat chicken breasts, which is perfect for putting on a quick salad like this. Definitely a convenience thing, but I grabbed them because they looked good. I got some Cabot New York extra sharp aged cheddar cheese. Cabot is really, really good. A really good cheese brand. So I grabbed this for snacking, for sandwiches, whatever the case may be. They did have a Walmart Great Value brand, and it was much cheaper, but on this, I definitely went with the Cabot. I just think they make really good cheese. I also got some Rice-A-Roni brand chicken and broccoli rice pilaf. Again, just some quick sides. I got my son's Quaker Chewy chocolate chip 25% less sugar granola bars. These are pretty much the only ones he likes and will eat. I got Grady some plum organic applesauce. This is the mashup strawberry banana apple. I got a DiGiorno pizza. This is the margarita flavor. I thought this would be good for a quick lunch for myself, maybe like with a little side salad or something. I got some Hershey Kisses favorites. This is the milk chocolate, cookies and cream, and almonds, just to put out in a little candy dish to have something chocolate to grab every once in a while. I got the Great Value yogurt tubes. Grady's been really liking these. This is the strawberry or melon berry and strawberry banana. I usually give him one of these every day. I freeze it and give him one of these every day to take to school for snack. They didn't have any of the Stonyfield yogurt pouches in any of the flavors my son will eat, which is mainly the strawberry or strawberry banana. So I got these. We've had these before. They're fine. They're substantially cheaper, but again, I have to go to BJ's later this week, so I'm going to grab the 12 pack, I think it is, or the 10 pack of the Stonyfield there. Hopefully they have a coupon. But I got these to hold me over. They are the Swingin' Strawberry Banana by Dannon. I got some of these Good Humor strawberry shortcake bars for me and Matt. We love these. I got some ricotta cheese for lasagna, some cat food for the cat. This is the Delectables brand. Some chocolate chip Teddy Grahams for Grady. Some small little Pringle cups for all of us. We love Pringles, and I like to pack these in Matt's lunches, and Grady likes these as well. We needed some AAA batteries, so I grabbed a large pack of the Rayovac high energy ones because Grady's toys take a lot of different batteries and obviously random stuff, household things. So we needed those. I got our Great Value potato wedges. Love these. I actually thought I had lasagna noodles, but I didn't. I was mistaking the box for stuffed shell noodles. So I grabbed the oven-ready lasagna so I can go ahead and make lasagna this week. I got some strawberry watermelon juicy juices for Grady. I actually really like this flavor too. Some whole milk, some Great Value brand vanilla caramel coffee creamer. I got a couple of these Body Armor super drinks. This is another item I want to get Matt at BJ's. I believe one of my subscribers told me they have a $4 off coupon at BJ's this week on a case, so I'm gonna grab a case. Hopefully they have a variety pack, but I got the fruit punch for Matt, and then the blackout berry, which I think is like a blackberry flavor, and I also grabbed him a Snapple apple. They were $1. These were $1.24. So yeah, I gotta get a case of these when I go to BJ's. I got some Shock Top beer for Matt or whoever stops over. We constantly have people over, so I like to have beer or wine in the house, so I got this. Matt wanted vanilla Coke, so I grabbed a 12-pack of vanilla Coke. I also grabbed one of these Golden Peach clear sparkling waters for myself, which I like, and then I did get just a smaller case, a 12-bottle case of the Sam's Club Walmart brand bottled water, which is super cheap. It's like $2.24, I believe. So yeah, guys, I think that's everything for the week, I'm pretty sure. And I'm gonna share with you now my meal plan for the upcoming week. P.S. guys, I also got this. It was actually hiding in a bag that I didn't even see. But anyways, it's the Innovation Cuisine Sizzlin' Garlic Rice. I usually get the sticky rice, which I still love. But my friend Heather told me about this. It is amazing. This is my 3rd time buying it already. I think I shared it in a previous haul, and then I picked it up again in like a midweek haul that I didn't film. But yeah, if you can find this, it is such a good side for any kind of food, but it's obviously really good with Asian food. It has a really strong garlic taste, and I really like it. It's $3.78, so it is pricey, but it's a good portion. I would say as a side dish, it could serve 4 people, and as a main dish, 2 people. But it's really good, and I can highly recommend this, or I can recommend the sticky rice by the same brand as well. Hey guys, before I show my meal plan, I wanted to share with you the few things I ordered from Boxed.com. I've talked about them multiple times, and I actually have a whole video on my first order from them, and I've been ordering ever since. I've pretty much placed like a small order each week because everything comes right to my door. Shipping is super fast. They ship from New Jersey, at least where I live. I'm not sure if they have other shipping locations. And I find that they just have really good products, a lot of variety. So I've been obsessed with these ever since I discovered them a couple months ago from one of my friends. So we were due for some more wipes, so I got another box of the Pampers Aqua Pure. I really like these, and they're really, really wet wipes. They're never dried out. So I got a box of these. These were all freebies, which I'll show you guys in a minute. I got another of these Welch's fruit rolls. I got these in my very first order, and I've been in love with them, and we just ran out from my first order. And I can't seem to find these where I live in any grocery stores. I've heard they're at Price Chopper, but I'm pretty sure it's like a small box, and this is a box of 42, which lasted us, I think, like I said, since the last order, which was, I don't know, 6 weeks ago or so. At least a month ago. So I got another one of these. Matt likes them, I like them, and Grady likes them, so I'll take it. And then every week they do little freebies. So this week one of the freebies was this pineapple soap. It's just pineapple hand soap in this little pineapple pump top bottle, which I thought was cute for a freebie. And then also they have like little samples, so I got this little Purell hand sanitizer, and you can pick what samples you want. And another freebie they had this week was this Imagine brand 6 grams of protein Parmesan cheese stars. So I'm going to try these with my son. If he doesn't like them, me or my husband will definitely eat them. But yeah, these little freebies here were great. So just wanted to mention, because I know a lot of you guys have asked me about Boxed.com since I have started sharing about them. I do have a $15 off your first order of $60 or more with free shipping, linked in the description box down below in case you want to check it out. They have wholesale items, and it's just a great way to buy wholesale if you don't have access to being like a member at like a Costco or a Sam's Club or a BJ's. And like I said, the shipping is really fast. So now I'm going to show you guys my meal plan for the upcoming week. Alright guys, meal plan for the upcoming week. One night I'm going to do those Home Chef chicken roll-ups. We're gonna break at the barbecue grill because the weather's starting to get nicer, and we'll just take what we can get. So one night we're gonna do some barbecue shrimp skewers and then some marinated veggie skewers, and we'll grill both of those. We're gonna do no meat next Friday, either a pasta and veggie dish or veggie flatbreads, and the veggie flatbreads we could do on the grill. One night I'm gonna do Mississippi chicken in the crock pot. I have a video on that, I'll link it below. And then I'm gonna do chicken wings or ribs on the grill with rice one night with veggies and salad. And then the night my mom and I are going to the autism event, Matt will have salmon. And then, of course, I have a freebie night to have free reign. So yeah, this is the meal plan for the week. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you Monday with a new video. Bye, guys.